In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute command in Replit 2025, step by step. We'll use Replit's agent to run commands for you so you can focus on what you want to achieve without memorizing terminal syntax. First, open the agent chat, look to the left-hand sidebar, and click the agent icon, the one that looks like a sparkling chat bubble. If you prefer the keyboard, press Command plus K on a Mac or Control plus K on Windows, then type agent to bring it up quickly. Make sure your project is open so the agent knows which workspace to act on. Once the chat is open, type your instruction in plain English. You don't need to write code or shell commands, just describe the task. For example, say, install the latest version of Tailwind CSS, or run my database migrations, or add a new page called services and link it to the homepage. Clear, specific phrasing helps the agent pick the right actions. If there's a particular file or folder you have in mind, mention it by name to guide the agent's context. Next, review the proposed action the agent presents. It will analyze your request and show a summary of what it plans to do. For instance, it might say it will run npm install tailwind css in the shell. If the change involves files, you may also see a diff, which is a before and after comparison of code changes. Take a moment to read this carefully. Does the summary match your intent? Do the file changes look correct? This review step is your safety net. Nothing runs until you approve it. If something seems off, you can refine your instruction in the chat and let the agent propose an updated plan. When everything looks right, confirm and run. Click the apply or run command button inside the chat bubble. The agent will open a background shell and execute the command on your behalf. You'll see live output stream into the chat or in the console tab. Watch for progress lines and any prompts. Many tasks will complete automatically and you'll see success messages when they do. If the output shows errors, note the message and adjust your instruction, then run again. That feedback loop is normal and helps you reach the exact result you want, and that's it. Open the agent, describe what you want, review the plan and any diffs, then confirm to run and monitor the output. With this workflow, executing commands in Replit becomes faster, safer, and much more approachable.